did I end up where I am? And let me tell you, it was all a complete accident. It was a joke of the universe. I don't know. I didn't mean to get here. My journey really started, I was 45 and had prostate cancer. I had surgery, and right after surgery, there's always erectile dysfunction. I looked for help. There was nothing online except commercials and spam and everything else. So I started what is still to this day the only website for erectile dysfunction, called franktalk.org. I told one of the doctors at Mount Sinai Hospital in Manhattan what I was doing. He invited me to come in and start talking to patients about penile rehabilitation and physical therapy and injections and pills and all that stuff. And then next thing you know, Dr. Werner here at Mays Men's Health is talking to me, and he says, why don't you come and work for me? I went back to school, became a sex therapist, which is just a master's in mental health counseling or social work. And then you take extra classes to become certified in human sexuality. And here I am. Not many people in the country are doing what I'm doing. So please, if you have an interest, please do it. We need way more. I'm flooded. If you want a job where you'll always be busy, become a sex therapist embedded in the medical field. They desperately need you.